should you need to retrieve the data using a pen drive, of course, firstly you must have a pen drive. What you do is insert your pen drive on the side here. Alright, once the pen drive is in, same thing, go to this menu. Alright, okay, then you go down to this thing called USB manage, press OK. Alright, you see the download, press OK. Download attendance log. In this case, it says attendance data. You press OK. Alright, so you have an option of you just want to download the data for today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, and of course finally you can download all. That means everything. So in this case, let's say I just choose today and I press OK. You can see it's retrieving data, and finally it will say download is done. Then just press OK and escape all the way out and retrieve back your pen drive.